Hey, what's going on everyone? Luke here, back at another video. So today I am getting the truck cleaned up because tomorrow we're gonna go take it to get it not wrapped but some professional lettering. So we're gonna have this whole front area decked out with the Fresh Bins logo. As you can see these magnets are just crumbling, they're falling apart, so I'm gonna tear them off, finally throw them out, and yeah, we'll have the number on here. It'll look awesome. Then back here as well, they're gonna put the logo, they're gonna put a small QR code, all the services back here as well, another number and logo on this side as well. They're also gonna put the logo on the hood right here, all on the front, big logo. So it'll be awesome. I've seen this company, their work before on one of my buddy's trucks, and they did a great job. So I'm sure they're gonna do a good job on mine, and I'm excited. So I'm gonna wash this truck up, and then tomorrow I'll take y'all with me to get it wrapped, and I'm dropping it off about 8 a.m. in the morning, and then picking it up by the end of the day. So let's go ahead and rip off all these magnets, and then we will get it cleaned up. So I don't know if I want to keep them or not. I think I'll keep it just in case, but let's see if I can put it right here. It's not strong enough, but I'll keep them just in case. Maybe not. Yeah, might as well keep it. You never know. Alright, then we'll rip this one off. These are like, man, I've had these on here for so long. It's crazy seeing the truck without it. These ones are still in really good condition, so I could always definitely want to keep these. I can always put it on another truck or a car if I ever did like a sales vehicle to where I'm just doing quotes in it, then I could do that. But definitely not this one. This one is man, these are just torn. I used to have one right here. That one flew off on the road, and then I used to have one phone with phone numbers on it that flew off as well. So out with the old, in with the new. I'm gonna get this truck washed up. We'll see what it looks like afterwards, and then we'll take it in tomorrow morning. All right, just gave it a good wash all the way around, so we're good to go for tomorrow. So I'll take y'all along the process. We'll drop it off tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and then pick it up and see what it looks like. You see the hood too? Hey guys, so hope y'all like that wrap reveal. I'm super excited and really satisfied with how it turned out. These guys did a great job, and if you're in the Corpus Christi area, make sure to stop by this company, Lighthouse Graphics. Get your vehicle wrapped. They also do t-shirts and all that stuff, so I'm gonna be getting some t-shirts made pretty soon. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks great. I'm super happy with it. You know, it's just crazy how far I've come in watching the process from the very first video to now, and just making those little upgrades. So I'm really glad to kind of share my process with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Just a quick short video for today, and I'll see you on the next one.